Howdy, teacher friends. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to take a look at BoddleLearning.com. The people from BoddleLearning.com reached out to me and asked us to review their website. So let's take a look at it here. It is a math website, so it is a math review game and a learning game. I wouldn't just classify it only as review. It uses AI to assess students as they proceed through the game, and it's going to differentiate their game experience based on their needs and their level. So it is free to sign up here, and you can sign up with the Googles. So when you go to log in as a parent or teacher, you can choose to log in with Google. It does also connect to Google Classroom. I have connected my login to my Google Classroom. Differentiating learning, engaging students with this fun game. We're getting reports, we're closing gaps, K through 6. So this is a K through 6 math curriculum. I did see a post on a math group yesterday on Facebook that it does have the Texas Teaks added to BoddleLearning.com. The platforms that it runs on: iOS, Apple Store, web browsers, Google Chrome. All right, how do I get started with my students? There's a little guide there on how to add your students through Google Classroom. Why is the company called Boddle? Boddle is named after our unique bottle-headed game characters that fill up as they learn. Let's see what we get for play the game. All right, so I am loaded up here. Let's try to create a
Fill in your name and password to create a new account.
Of course, you're just going to have your students log in with Google, and it's going to automatically connect them because of that. What color is our little dude going to be? Oh, here we go. We got some more options. The face. And we can change our body color. We've customized our bottle. Hi there, Boddle.
Hey there, Boddle. That was a pretty good landing for a first-timer.
All right, I'm going to speed us through the tutorial here, but it does read it all to you verbally, so your students can follow along. Blasted through a portal.
It allows you to tackle challenges and obstacles. Every time you work through a problem, you'll gain a little more knowledge, which will come in handy later.
3 cats plus 2 cats equals, let's see, oh, look at that animation. All right.
When you solve a problem correctly, you build up a streak. And when you get a streak of 3, you get to play a bonus game.
Nice. Different animation that time, not the same one every time. That's good.
Great job! Let's try a couple more.
Oh, we got our streak. Let's check out our bonus game.
We did it! I mean, you did it. With my help, of course.
Earn bonus gold by shooting basketballs through the hoop within the allotted time. So my bottle basketball skills were not good, but I kind of had it figured out by the end, and I was ready for more.
That's everything you need to know to get started.
So it's dropping us off into the game world, and it looks like we can click to move around through the environment here, and there's going to be things to interact with. So let's check out this chest here. So we can put a stool right here. Look at that. We placed our stool down.
Looks like you're kind of getting the hang of it.
Inside our house, we've got a wardrobe over here.
Fits in
Oh,
styles.
you can customize your outfit and your style.
Looks like there's a blue hoodie in there for you. Put it on.
Hats, glasses, and clothes. All right, so we got our hoodie on there, so we're gonna back out. Oh, look, our little bottle dude is sporting his new hoodie. All right, so we've explored our little yard around our house here. Let's go ahead and hit the green arrow button to move on to play. Ooh, using the place value table below, convert from expanded form to standard form. 5, 3, 5, 3, 7, 9. And it looks like I could probably click down here on these also if I don't have a keyboard. So if I'm on a mobile device, I'm tapping on these numbers down here to enter my information. Let's see if I got it right. Yes! Score! All right, true or false?
False. True. True or false? 8,306,073 is the standard form of 8 million plus 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 70 plus 3.
Ooh, I'm going to say false. All right, so this is pretty cool. We're answering math questions here. We have the ability for it to read the questions to us. Let's see what the video does.
Use the place value table.
So we've got an example. It's kind of reteaching us the concept there if we need to review that. We had the speaker to read it to us out loud, and we also have the speaker next to each of the answer choices. So look, we've got some little tools even for working on this. So if we want to scratch something out, we want to eliminate some answer choices or something, we have that ability. Very cool. So we can even make notations on these questions. We can work out the questions. If they're requiring us to do some math, we're going to be able to work them out on the screen with our mouse or our finger if we're using a mobile device or stylus. Very cool. The trash can deleted all the things that we wrote on there. So this is pretty cool. Looks like it's going to be pretty fun, pretty engaging for your students. All right, so just to recap real quick here, BoddleLearning.com. It is a web-based, browser-based game that does have an app. The students can play. They're going to be doing individual game learning on this Boddle application, and it is going to differentiate for them based on their skill level. It's got some interactive elements to it where the student is going to have their own little house and their little character with the yard and everything to customize, which is going to be really fun for the kids. It's going to, kind of draw them in and make them have more of a desire to be successful so that they can earn those upgrades and stuff, and little clothing and everything to customize their character. Got that fun little bonus game, shooting the basketball in between math questions.